Hello from Lyon, France. So today we're exploring the old town, the center. As usual, we like to take these free walking tours, which are always very interesting. We put a montage of what we've seen. It's lunchtime, we're pretty hungry. So we're scouting where to eat.
Yeah. We're potentially considering trying bouchon, which is a typical Lyonnese restaurant. Some peculiar dishes, we'll see. Yeah, and then we'll continue exploring a bit the old town part.
Yes.
A couple of cathedrals to see.
We need to go up a very high hill to see a cathedral.
Cathedral, yeah. Yeah, so stay tuned. Let's find some food.
How was lunch?
So yeah, we tried our first bouchon. Took le soissons chaud, which means like hot sausage. It's very good, yeah, very tasty, in a red wine sauce. So next we're gonna try to make our way to the cathedral
Cathedral on the hill.
on the hill. Yeah, we'll put the name maybe. There is a shortcut taking the funicular from here.
I don't know why we're taking the harder way.
We'll see. We're kind of not sure yet if we should do this or not. If we walk this way, though, we'll go through some of the old Roman amphitheaters, which we wouldn't see with the funicular. So, and there's also, if I remember well, last time I was here, there's also some really old wooden houses, which are some of the oldest houses that are still standing in Lyon. So yeah, we should give it a shot, I think.
We'll try.
I mean, the other option as well is that we take the funicular up and then we'll go down by walk. Would be easier.
Makes sense.
Yeah, I think we'll do that. We'll take the funicular up and yeah, let's explore that place.
And just like that, we made it up the hill.
Wait. Here we are, we're gonna back at the same road now, but this time from the top of the hill, so going down.
Cute, this bike, yeah. Almost free roaming animals. Almost.
Quite important.
Hey, on the riverboat.
C'est bon, je me la colle.
Okay, that's it for our time in Lyon. Although it was a short trip, I would say like a long weekend, 3 days, we still managed to pack in enough stuff to do. obviously the more you pack in, the more your legs will cry.
Yeah.
But we like to see as much as possible, so it's all up to you. 3 days was enough to see quite a lot.
Yeah, quite a fair bit, yes. Yeah, I'd say my favorite part was mostly the old town area. There's a lot of history and a very good concentration of good restaurants as well. So
I liked the park. It was very nice. It was nice break from the city.
and I would say Perouge was
Oh yes.
a very great quick excursion outside of the city, which balances nicely a little bit with the metropolitan feel of the city, with a bit more of a nature countryside vibe, which was nice.
Yes, and it's very simple to get to. It's just a 40-minute train ride.
It's a fair bit of walking, but it's very well worth the effort.
So we'll end it here.
Yes, from the banks of the Seine.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for following this video of our trip in Lyon.
As always, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. We'll be happy to help out with your planning.
So like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next trip. See ya.